No, it's not. I'm a truckload of sausage.
Sausage!
Diesel. Wait! Come back! Oh, what do you want to go chasing after him for? He's my friend. He really...
There's no such thing as goats. 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 There's no such thing as goats.
James blew his whistle.
What the fuck?
It's Thomas! Oh, at last! Hello, Thomas. If you really want a giant load, look at my ass.
No.
Did somebody lose their balls?
Magic engines!
Oh no! The moment I dread. Horrible. Train, but sex.
Timothy and the Rainbow Duck.
Wait a minute. Is this one of your dicks?
No, not at all. No, way.
Definitely not. Oh, okay then. So, what does it look like, this lost duck?
It's orange. It's red and orange. And yellow. And green. And blue. And indigo. And violet.
Wow, that's a very colourful duck.
And that's why it's so important.
We really need it.
We really need it to do.
Horrible. Train, but sex.
So, if you could find it, then you'd be very clever indeed.
Hello there, Timothy.
Hey.
Where are you off to?
I'm looking for a duck. Thomas, it's very special. This duck does look just like the duck they were asking for.
Ah, and so that's the duck they're going to get, whether they likes it or not.
Dinosaurs.
Dinosaur.
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 Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs.
Dinosaur. Dinosaurs.
Dinosaur. Dinosaurs.
Dinosaur. 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 Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur, dinosaur, dinosaur.
Dinosaurs. Dinosaur.
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 Very
Impertinence.
sheep.
And Percy, I need you to go to Farmer McColl's farm and collect his new spring lambs and ewes.
Me, sir?
No, ewes.
Whatever
You.
engine's coming to. Coming to.
My mother's boss.
That's enough.
But that didn't sound like a whistle. What was that noise? Thomas doesn't like the diesel engines.
That's crazy!
As everybody knows, and as they leave the station, you'll hear the whistle blow. Speeding down the hillside, the whistle's blown with pride. Driver checks the signal and whistles one more time.
Soon Duncan approached a level crossing, where Elizabeth the quarry lorry waited with a farmer's prize bull. This time, Duncan whistled as loud and as long as he could. Stop that nonsense, Duncan, said the bull.
Engines blow your whistles, Toby ring your bell.
Toby's bell rang and his whistle sounded.
Gordon and Henry, Thomas as well. Engines blow your whistles, and let's all have some fun. Engines blow your whistles, let's hear the whistle song. Every whistle's different, no two will sound the same. Cause an engine's not an engine if it hasn't got a whistle.
I know I'm just an electric engine.
That's enough.